Hello and welcome back to HLS Crypto. My name is Dan. So as it stands, things are going a bit wayward in the world. I think obviously everyone's probably heard now that Palestine and Israel are involved in conflict. Obviously Russia and Ukraine still rumbles on as well. So there are issues around the world that are obviously causing markets to dip. But most importantly, and I think sometimes people forget that, the world is not all crypto. And I think that, sometimes you have to think of the bigger picture, and anyone who's currently suffering or losing their lives as a result of any kind of war, I think that's a very sad indictment of how humanity is at this stage. And I think that you've got to have your heart goes out to absolutely anyone affected by any kind of war. So let's hope that things get resolved quickly in all areas of conflict. So today we're talking about CSPR Casper update. Are we bullish? So we're going to look first of all at something called CasperLabs.io. It's a block interview with the CTO, which we'll look at now. I think this is quite interesting. So it's with Meda Palika. She's the CTO of Casper Labs. Blockchain technology is so much more than cryptocurrency. It's a powerful solution to transform enterprise operations, from adding greater transparency to AI platforms and streamlining supply chains to accelerate financial services operations through smart contracts. Through the technology, it's quickly gaining traction. Our recent award showed that more than 75% of respondents, our recent report, are feeling positive and interested in adopting blockchain for their business. There are still questions that remain, and we sat down with Meda Palika, the Chief Technology Officer, the CTO here at Casper Labs, to review some blockchain basics and ensure that business leaders understand exactly how blockchain works and why it'll fit seamlessly into the existing tech stacks to complement, not replace, their existing technologies. What are the three main types of blockchain solutions available, and what distinguishes them from each other? Which are best for enterprise use? So the three main types of blockchain solutions for enterprise are public blockchain, private blockchain, and hybrid blockchain. Public blockchains are suitable for high-value assets or information already in the public domain, such as home title information. Private blockchains, meanwhile, are ideal for sensitive information like medical data and customer data. Finally, hybrid blockchains combine private and public elements, allowing transactional data to be stored privately while asset transfers occur on a public blockchain. Most recently, the Casper Association also announced the release of Casper 1.5, which is designed to increase the utility of public blockchain, especially for large operations with sensitive data. Casper was already the only blockchain to enable upgradable smart contracts, and now Casper 1.5 offers even greater controls and enables the debugging of live composable smart contracts on mainnet, making it an ideal fit for enterprise use. What is essential for enterprise blockchain technology to work with the tools and systems developers are already familiar with? So in enterprise settings, it is crucial for blockchain technology to work with tools and systems familiar to developers because it ensures ease of adoption and maintenance. Developers are often accustomed to specific tool sets and software stacks, and forcing them to switch to entirely new technology can be costly and inefficient. To maximize the value of blockchain in enterprises, it must integrate seamlessly with the existing systems and tools that developers are already proficient with. What do enterprises need to understand about interoperability in the context of adopting blockchain technology? Interoperability is highly significant in the context of blockchain adoption within enterprises because it allows different systems to communicate with each other effectively. In the case of blockchain, interoperability means that blockchain technology can seamlessly integrate with the existing software and tools used by enterprises. This ensures that data can be written to and read from the blockchain while maintaining compatibility with the broader technology stack. Interoperability is crucial for realizing the full potential of blockchain in an enterprise setting. And obviously, as you know, I'm into quant as well, which is like the most interoperable crypto in my opinion. How does Casper blockchain prioritize integration with existing software ecosystems? So Casper focuses on interoperability and integration with existing software ecosystems to make blockchain technology accessible to enterprises. The platform recognizes that enterprises have already invested in various technologies and tools over the past few decades. Casper aims to seamlessly integrate blockchain into these systems, allowing enterprises to use blockchain without discarding their existing infrastructure, saving organizations time and money on deployment. How does Casper address the challenge of maintaining existing tooling, minimizing licensing costs, and ensuring robustness within enterprise organizations? So Casper addresses these challenges by prioritizing interoperability and compatibility with existing tools and systems. Casper does not require enterprises to adopt a new set of tools or programming languages. Instead, it allows existing systems to write data to and read data from the blockchain seamlessly. This approach minimizes licensing costs and ensures robustness by allowing multiple individuals within an organization to work with their familiar technological stack, preventing any single point of failure and understanding how the technology works. To learn more about Casper Labs or how Casper Labs is helping businesses across industries drive value with blockchain, check out our case studies, which you can come onto the website and do yourself. And also, there are other videos on the channel regarding Casper. Now I want to go on to x.com or Twitter. There's just one or two posts that I think will be quite useful to update further on what Casper are doing. Again, I'm working with the slowest laptop known to humans. It's the 1980s Casio calculator, but Casper's weekly roundup. So Casper is the conference partner for CoinDCX Unfold 23. Casper's mobile wallet app by We Are Team Make is undergoing an audit, and Casper's network v1.5.3 update is a patch release, and stay tuned for that. Ghost Daddy, he's got something good to say as well. And also we're going to touch on price a little bit later, because there is quite a very bullish post, which we'll read in just a second. The next, not this one, the one after, but this one says, "Why are you sleeping on CSPR?" Casper Labs is a blockchain platform designed for developers, businesses, and end users to build decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. It utilizes the Casper protocol, which is proof of stake consensus algorithm. And here are some key aspects of Casper Labs infrastructure. So Casper protocol, Casper Labs uses a proof of stake protocol for consensus, which means that validators are chosen to create new blocks and validate transactions based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. Smart contracts. Casper Labs allows developers to create smart contracts using the platform. These contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Scalability. Casper Labs aims to provide scalable solutions for blockchain networks through the proof of stake mechanism. It can potentially handle more transactions per second compared to traditional proof of work blockchains. Security. With the proof of stake consensus mechanism, Casper Labs aims to ensure network security and prevent various attacks that can occur in blockchain systems. Then the token. Casper Labs may have its native cryptocurrency token, usually used for transaction fees, staking, and participating in the network's governance. And developer tools. Casper Labs likely provides a set of designer tools, including APIs, SDKs, and documentation to assist developers in building applications on their platform. Now, briefly, we spoke about this particularly on our most recent CSPR video, was regarding the fact that they were going to be onboarding a lot more projects. So when this loads, we'll have a quick look at this and then on to some price and a comparison with ADA, which I thought was really interesting, which we'll do in just a second. So yeah, the RAMP network is basically where this is coming from. So Casper Network recently integrated the RAMP network, a great on-off RAMP solution for crypto users, but also for all projects building on CSPR. We're happy to announce that all Casper Dash users will now be able to make use of all its features directly from in the wallet. Off-ramp to 40 plus fiat currencies and on-ramp to 90 plus cryptocurrencies, supported in 150 plus countries with low fees. So that seems to me like that's a very good expansion. They're doing very well there. And then this is the comparison that I wanted to make with ADA. I think this is quite an interesting thread. Not thread, sorry, but it's a post. And it shows, what the market cap would be had it, hit ADA's market cap. And there is a very bullish price prediction towards this at the end on that, which we'll have a look at any second now. Like I said before, we're dealing with very low tech. But if CSPR had the market cap of ADA as its all-time high, we would see a 270x from its current price. Some might scoff at this, but consider a few things. ADA has a circulating supply more than 3 times of CSPR. CSPR has never been through a bull run before, and I think that's really going to be interesting to see how it does perform, having never been through one. CSPR has a much stronger fundamentals than ADA based on partnerships, utility, and enterprise adoption. Almost 75% of all CSPR is being staked. ADA saw its price appreciation based on speculation alone, while CSPR is on the verge of seeing large increases in network volume based on enterprise use case and genuine network activity. CSPR can boast for largest enterprise blockchain development in history with its IPWE partnership. CSPR is the only layer 1 blockchain to enable the debugging of live composable smart contracts on mainnet, upgradable smart contracts. CSPR is incredibly poised for mass adoption by solving the adoption trilemma, proving enterprise-level security, scalability, and decentralization on the same blockchain protocol. The more this market matures, the more smart money enters in to invest. The market is moving away from being based on speculation to utility-driven. Smart money is looking to invest in high-quality digital assets with strong fundamentals like CSPR. CSPR has a ridiculously low market cap right now, considering everything that blockchain has to offer, or this blockchain has to offer. The timing to enter is amazing. Current prices are near all-time lows, and even if we see half of ADA's all-time high market cap, that's still 100x on the investment, which is something to consider. Your money is hard-earned and should be invested wisely where your personal conviction lies. With that being said, I have strong convictions and confidence in CSPR's future success. And then it goes to show you what that market cap would look like, and it would make the CSPR price at $8.36. I think that's a little bit high myself. We're going to have a look at the chart now, but I still think, $8 for me would be obviously fantastic. I'm a holder of CSPR, and I would be very, very happy with an $8 CSPR. Currently, it is at 3 cents. My kind of bullish case for CSPR and where I kind of see it hitting in the 2025 bull run is my sort of safe levels between $2 and $4. I think $2 is where I'd be looking at, but there is that bullish case there for 8. But I'm more than happy between 2 and 4. That's still going to be obviously fantastic, fantastic gains from where we currently are. And as I said, a lot of crypto will be in the red for a little while, I would imagine, due to conflict around the world. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please smash the like button. Share it with people who you might think also would gain some benefit from this. Subscriber-wise, it's going really, really well. We're over 1,060 now, which is incredible and really mind-blowing. So I really do appreciate it, even though you guys sometimes have to put up with a very limited amount of tech that I'm trying to work with to still try and get a video out every day to you guys. Sometimes it can be frustrating. It is to me too. And I'm sure that when things start getting a bit better, then I'll definitely be looking to improve this computer. Thank you very much once again for sticking with us. I do really appreciate it. And as always, wherever you are in the world, I hope you're having a great day. And we will, of course, see you again tomorrow, where I'm hoping to be getting out a tier list for you guys, which I think will be quite interesting. So thank you very much. Take it easy, and I'll see you tomorrow.